amulet. Except for one. Now that Google is back, Killer Bright and Lord Fear can't lose. You know, it's a good thing Chuck's around, because his computer skills are probably the only thing that's going to save you.
Thanks for making me feel like a total failure, Pete. I gotta get to the Thunder Tower.
Oh, Chuck, dude. This is awesome. I already feel stronger.
You are, bro. The flame upgrade makes you invulnerable to attack.
This better work or we're toast.
See what I mean? But it's only temporary. The power wears off after a couple of minutes.
I don't know what we'd do without you, kid.
Oh, yeah! Chuck do rocks!
Ah, thanks, guys. Any other computer genius could have done the same.
Hey, computer genius, you almost fried me.
Lighten up, Mark. Mistakes happen.
Yeah. Who lost the amulet pieces?
Oh, come on, that wasn't all my fault.
Okay, whatever. Tomorrow, we test our new powers by attacking the carnival. This may be just what we need to shut down that freak show.
Say no more, Ace. You can count on me. How about it, dude? Ready for some action? Huh?
Yeah, don't worry. I'll be there.
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero. There's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
Mum, I'm going out.
Don't take another step.
But I have to get to the carnival. I'm late.
Mark, have you forgotten? Mr. and Mrs. Rackburn are coming over for a barbecue, and he's a very important client from your father's accounting firm.
Right. But I don't see what that's got to do with me.
And I want you to stay home and help out.
Has anyone seen my barbecue mitt? It's supposed to be in the garage.
Have you looked in the basement, darling?
The basement. Right.
Okay, so I get it. Dad's pretty stressed, and Mum, I have to get to the carnival. My friends are waiting for me. They're counting on me.
Yes, and I'm counting on you to go and clean your room, so I'm afraid your friends are just going to have to wait.
Upgrade power is totally charged.
Anvil squash you. Anvil fight beauty mortal. Nothing beats Anvil. You tried to hurt Anvil, but Anvil not be hurt. Why won't Ace fall down?
You first, big guy.
Yeah. Sweet.
It's a surprise attack. Blast them, my lord. You'll never leave here alive, you fools. Huh?
Sweet.
That tickled.
Nobody has powers like that. What kind of trick is this?
It's the best trick of all. Where you lose.
Here's the part where you surrender.
Spare me, please. It's Kilobyte you want, not me.
Oh, power's dropping.
You're a reasonable superhero, Ace. I'd be happy to make a truce, but Kilobyte won't rest until he's destroyed you.
Did you feel that?
Yeah, big time.
Upgrade's worn off. Get out of here.
Lightning flash, to me!
Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
They're using upgrades.
Kilobyte, I was trying to hold them off until you arrived.
No, you feeble worm. You were trying to surrender. Now our prey grows confident and the hunt becomes more dangerous. We must strike soon and without mercy.
Dude, you missed the sweetest battle. Ace and Sparx nearly wasted Lord Fear. All thanks to my flame upgrade, of course. Too bad you weren't there.
Yeah, well, it sounds like you did just fine without me. Hello? Ace, look, I'm kind of busy right... what? It's for you.
Ace man, what's up? You want me to upgrade random virus? Yeah, cool. I'll just grab some files from computer store. Okay. Gotta go.
Why? What was that about?
Oh, nothing, dude. Ace just wants me to give random virus a taste of the Chucky computer magic.
Right, so what do we do now?
Oh, not we, dude. Me. You can relax at the homestead. I'm totally TCB.
What?
Taking care of business. Good thing I'm on our side, huh?
Yeah, good thing.
Though it appears to be a typical carnival, there's nothing amusing about this amusement park. This carnival's like a horror movie. A horror movie with a horrifying ending. That sounds so lame. There's no story here. The only horrifying thing about this place is the smell.
Howdy, youngin'! There ain't no cause for that. Rotgut's just looking for his friend Chucky.
Wow, that's impossible.
Rotgut, find Chucky.
Laying a trail, Dad?
Oh, I don't believe it. Oh, come on, pitch in. Can you pick it up? What if it's the Ratburns?
Just stay calm, Dad. I'll get it.
Mark, you're gonna think I'm crazy, but do you remember that story about the carnival for the school newspaper?
Yeah?
Listen to this.
Rotgut, find Chucky.
See? I mean here?
What about it? It's just the guy talking, right?
No, it's this, like, mutant cowboy, and he came out of the miniature golf course. Do you think he's after Chuck?
Mark, I need a hand here.
Look, I gotta go. We'll talk about the, mutant cowboy, later. But for the moment, just stay away from the carnival, okay?
Mark!
Go. It's cool.
Okay, thanks.
And I promise to stay away from the carnival when you tell me why.
Oh, what is that raunchy reek?
Hello?
Mark, there's a zombie hand running around at Rick's computer store.
So? I thought you were TCB.
No, it ended up being an SOS, and I'm about to be DOA.
But Chuck, I thought you were a lightning knight. Deal with it.
No, I can't deal with it! Mark?
Howdy, Chuck. You want a piece of me?
No thanks, dude. You can keep it. Rick? Boss? Sir? I'm being attacked by a zombie. I could use some help out here!
What's the matter, partner? One hand ain't good enough for you? Then how's about I turn you into good old Rotgut?
Where is he? I'm tired of waiting.
Be patient, Random. he'll be here.
I'm strong enough already. I don't need this upgrade.
Listen, Lugnut, here's the concept. You get the upgrade and take on Kilobyte. Me and Ace will finish off the others. Get it?
He's not the only one who gets it! The gloves are off!
He's too fast. I can't hit him.
It's a whole new ball game, Lightning! Wow!
Ace! I'm hurt!
Googler rules! Sparksy drools!
Hey, Googler! Wait for me!
What are you standing here for? Get Googler!
Googler can wait. You need help.
No. I'll be fine. Really, I will.
She'll be back in the data stream within an hour. Can you do anything to save her?
Chuck, what happened to that circuit that we... Something stinks in here. That smell. Must be... Chuck!
I'll get it. Oh, hello, Chuck. Oh, we're busy, busy, busy. Mark's in the living room.
Much obliged, ma'am.
Hey, Chuck, what's with the voice?
Rotgut found Chuck. Now he found you.
Rotgut! This is all my fault. I should have helped Chuck. Chuck, you're right.
It's them. They're here. Mr. Ratburn. Mrs. Ratburn.
Call me Bud, partner. You can be my accountant. I'm counting on you to smarten up.
Oh, quite right, Bud. This is my son, Mark, and his friend, Chuck.
Yeah. Howdy, boys.
Rotgut found Chuck.
Well, I hope it wasn't from the cooking.
Yeah, good one. Well, a pleasure to meet you, but Chuck's not feeling too good.
Rotgut found Chuck.
Yeah, he's got a bit of an upset stomach, so I'm gonna just take him upstairs. Bye.
What's wrong, Si? Looks like you got a bit of that rot gut, too.
Oh, good one there, Bud. Yes.
I wasn't joking. Oh, before I forget, this here's my little lady, Sally Ann.
Charmed. Oh, and this is my little old lady, Fee.
Ona. Fiona.
Yeah, ma'am.
Oh, it must be one of the boys.
What's wrong there, Si? You got some unruly boys up there? I mean, you can't handle your own kin. How do you expect to be handling my money? Am I right, Fee?
Well, I really don't.
It's okay, Fiona. Whatever you say, Bud. You're the boss.
Yeah, there you go.
Right.
Hello?
Kid, Sparx is hurt.
What happened? Is she okay?
It's bad, kid. The flame upgrade is her only chance. We need Chuck Dude.
He can't do anything. He's turned into a zombie. Look, where are you?
We're on your roof.
What? Ah, great. What next?
Not too many crackers now, honey.
A party? And we ain't invited.
We are now. Googler's gonna crush it.
You sure Chuck Dude can't help?
Yeah, I'm positive. He's gone.
Oh! Ouch! That's gotta hurt.
Oh my goodness! You poor thing! Are you all right? Here, let me help you, baby. Oh my. Sugar, you might want to put these on. Here you go. Why don't you take a load off those doggies?
Sorry, ma'am.
Chuck not feeling like himself, ma'am.
Now, Chuck, with an accent like that, are you from Texas too?
Of course that boy's from Texas. He's got Lone Star written all over him. You play football, son? What's the matter, boy? Cat got your tongue.
But maybe he's hurt. You should see his eyes.
No, stop babying the boy, Sally Ann. Takes more than some tumble down some stairs to rattle a Texan. Ain't that right, Chuck? There you go.
Thanks, kid. I knew you'd be there when it really counted. And if I don't make it...
Shh, don't say that. You're gonna be fine. Googler.
Whoa! You've got to roll with the punches, Lightning.
You know, you're a good man, Chuck. Not always yapping away, flapping your gums. Speaking of gum flapping, where's Sam with our grub?
Here she comes.
All right. You got a rat problem, Si?
Oh, no, it's not rat. No, canapes.
Canapes? That dog won't hunt, son.
But I
Just spit it out, Si, just like I'm gonna spit out these canapes or whatever fancy smancy stuff you're trying to ram down my throat.
Ribs are on their way, Bud.
Well, now we're talking. You know, where's that boy of yours? He ever gonna show his face again?
You know something? I think I'll just go see if he needs some help in the kitchen. You boys try to play nice now.
I'm always nice. Ain't I, honey? You know, I'm starting to wonder about that boy of yours manners, Si. How you doing there, Chuck?
Googler gets the last laugh, AC.
You're gonna be barbecued, kid.
Mark, what are you doing in there? You're supposed to be downstairs helping your father entertain the guests. And why did you leave Chuck to do your dirty work? Now get down there and keep your friend company.
Yeah, okay, thanks, Mum.
A little help here.
Home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play. That sure sounds good.
Ribs are ready.
Go get yourself some ribs, Chuck.
Yeah! Them ribs look better than buzzard eggs.
Oh, dude, I need Rotgut.
Later, Chuck. Ace and Sparx are hurt. They need your upgrade.
I'm on it.
I know you are. Oh, and take this.
Mark, can you get the door?
Dig in, as they say.
Oh, here you go.
So I talked to Chuck's parents and they haven't seen him, and he's not at work. I think that cowboy did something to him.
Listen, Kat, this isn't a good time.
Follow the bouncing ball!
Yes!
Thanks for the lift.
Trust me, Kat, Chuck is not a zombie.
Then explain to me what is going on in this freak town.
Mark, we're waiting.
Boy, you've got some serious problems, Si. When are you gonna do something about it?
Now look here, Mr. Rackburn. I'll lick your boots, but I won't have you talk about my son in that way. He's a good boy, most of the time. And I won't have you telling me how to discipline him. So, you can sit down, keep your mouth shut, enjoy your barbecue, or get out.
I'll be a bloomin' onion. That's the kind of backbone I appreciate. I like a man who stands up for what he believes in. I can't wait to tell the boys down at HQ about the accountant I just hired.
Hired? Really? Darn right I'm hired.
So if nothing's wrong with Chuck, then where is he?
Right here, partner.
Come on, son. Grub's getting cold. Tell your friends to come join us for a Texas chow down.
I'm there.
Ribs?
Like football. Like football there. Yeah, I love the Cowboys.
The fridge. No, is it? They turned out pretty good, if I say so myself. Not bad, ain't it?
I know.
No, Fiona, sorry, darling.
They're always the best doggone ribs I ever had. Outside of Texas, that is.
So which part of Texas are you folks from, anyway?
Actually, we ain't from Texas. Bud and me, we only moved there a year ago. We're from Milwaukee.
You know what they say? Once you move to Texas, you become a Texan.
Hey, Pete. What a crazy day. Chuck turned into Rotgut, and Kat nearly busted us. And everyone else was busy trying to impress each other. But I did learn one thing. It doesn't matter how much you brag about yourself. What really matters is helping someone when the chips are down. And that's what makes a real hero.